Hello friends, in this video we intend to go through the steps of opening an account with the AG broker through the TradingFinder website. We enter the review section related to forex brokers. Select the AG broker and click on the Go to Website option. The page related to the AG site opens for us, and we click on the Create Live Account option. And you complete the account opening details in this section. Enter the desired email that you haven't used to open an account with this broker before. After entering the desired username, you choose a password that includes uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Then, you click on the Next option. In the second step, you enter the personal information in this section. And if you reside in another country, you must indicate that. Then you click on the Next option. In the third step, you must enter the information related to your residential address. And you click on the Next option. In the fourth section, you need to enter the details related to your financial matters. In the first section, you must specify your annual income. And in the second section, you indicate your savings for 1 year. In step 3, you must specify your source of funds. In the fourth section, you need to state your goal for creating an account with this broker. And in the final step, you must specify the details related to your occupation. And click on the Next option. In the last part of your registration, you must enter the details related to your experience and your trades. And finally, you click on the Next option. By activating this option, you declare that you have accepted all the terms and conditions related to the IG broker. In the last step, if you wish to receive the latest news and updates about the broker via email, click on the Yes option. Otherwise, click on the No option and select Finish. Your registration with the IG broker has been completed. In this section, you will see a box indicating that you need to take action to verify your account, and you have received an email from the broker stating that you should upload the necessary identification documents in this section. In future videos, we will go through the process of identity verification with the IG broker step by step. Wishing you success and profitability.